As someone who watched the original film, sobrang ano yung emotions na nararamdaman ko while watching the series. Kasi kung yung movie is kakabahin ka, dito mas kakabahan ka.
Kuwang-kuha nila yung original na Thai series and Thai movie. Kuwang-kuha nila yung essence, like yung thrill, yung intensity, kuwang-kuha nila.
And then yung excitement ko nung college ako, same excitement pa rin ng binigay ng Viva.
Let's help each other out, Lynn.
Sorry, it's a hard no. Ginawa ko yun to help a friend, not for money. I may not have money, but I have principles.
What principles? Sa tingin mo, tama yung ginawa niya ni Grace? It's the same thing.
Ang ganda nung ginawang tawag dito, tribute talaga nitong Philippine adaptation dun sa original. You know, ang dami na kasi yung adaptation nito. But this one, it hits talaga sa puso bilang isang Pilipino. Kasi nakita mo talaga dito, makaka-relate ka na ginawa ko rin to nung mag-aaral ako. Like may mga ganito rin akong memories.
Ako, nagustuhan ko. Parang binibigay na niya sa'yo yung parang intensity ng mga susunod na episode. So, first episode pa lang, ang bongga na.
Yes, ayun na nga, episode 1 pa lang, parang ang ganda kasi parang meron ka pang i-look forward to kasi siyempre is series to, no? Parang hindi siya nakaka-bore and at the same time yung character nila bagay na bagay talaga individually.
The first episode itself, ano siya very beautiful kasi para siyang medyo may pagka-cinematic na parang movie quality na siya. So, kudos sa Team Bad Genius.
Teresa, akin na.
Sobrang galing and grabe the intensity, yung walang skip yung whole episode and sobrang inaabangan ko yung next episode.
It was intense po. So, gano'n na gano'n kasi ako tulad kay sis. So, ayun. So catchy talaga po. Yun.
Ang kinaganda dito sa series natin, hindi tinipid. Talagang sa school pa lang, ang bongga na nung napili. At ang ganda nung ang husay ni Direk Cabrido na parang binid up niya yung excitement. The first episode is so thrilling.
Cheaters. I'm sure you know what that means.
And kudos yung sa musical scoring, grabe.
Yeah, the scoring's giving us as well.
Maganda yung lahat ng characters nila. Lahat ng bagay na bagay sa kanilang apat yung characters.
And binigay nila lahat, 101%, nag-exceed pa nga yung expectation ko sa mga performances nila.
Yun po, first of all, congrats sa whole cast and team po. And lalo na kay Kuya Jai, inaabangan ko po yung mga susunod na scene niya po.
Hindi mo ako kilala? Ako si Bank. Tristan Bangkat. Ako yung nag-gown mo ng scholarship.
Gusto ko lang din i-highlight yung Gablag man dito. Kasi hindi ganun yung acting na nakasanayan natin na makita from him. And yung pagiging parang medyo villainy character niya dun dito sa unang episode is something na parang bagay sa kanya, and I think I would love to see more of his character dito sa mga susunod na episodes.
Gusto ko lang komendahan yung High Gab, especially kasi hindi iba yung character nila sa napanood namin sa Sitaw. So parang dito natin makikita na kung paano nila inaral, kung gaano sila naglaan ng time at effort, lahat yon kitang-kita naman kanina at rinig naman kanina kung gaano kami masaya for them.
Like, lalong-lalo na kay Hyacinth. She's giving, tapos of course, no, yung sis moment nila ni Atasha, talagang ang ganda, parang gusto mo pang panoorin talaga.
Lovingly, oh my heart I give to thee.
Si Atasha delivered for a debut project. She delivered for me.
Yung acting talaga, I was surprised kay Atasha. Sabi ko, she's really perfect for that role.
Actually, I agree, no? She is a star.
So kung nagkukopyahan kayo, huwag kayong pahuhuli sa akin.
Being a fan of Atasha, we are expecting that she's really a good actress. I like yung acting niya na very muted pero very, at the same time, very expressive. I mean, you know agad na yun yung expression, yun yung feeling na gusto niyang i-express. Tapos, yung isang surprise for me as a fan of Atasha is she can also play the guitar. Kasi we know naman na she plays the piano, pero yung guitar is a nice surprise for us.
Nakaka-proud tong Philippine adaptation ng Bad Genius kasi you can see na talagang binadgetan, and of course yung mga acting performances ng mga cast, and we have an award-winning director directing the series. Parang it reminded us, no, Filipinos, na kaya natin gumawa ng ganitong klaseng kagandang quality ng series.
Bad Genius, the series, approved!